Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to sew handbag. I'm going to be using this fine African print for this tutorial. It's a thick material. You can use it to sew bag, shoe, you can use it to sew hat. I cut all the pieces already. I will cut this thick material exactly like the way I cut this one, and this is the lining. I will also cut the lining 14 inches by 28 inches. I have 14 inches by 28 inches. This is the main body, and this one is the one I'm going to sew to lock this one. I have 5 inches by 5.5 inches. This 7.5 inches by 11 inches. I have 2 pieces of this one. The handle, this is the handle. I also have 2 pieces. The measurement I have here is 3 inches by 26 inches. 2 pieces. I have this one 1 piece. I have this one 2 pieces, and this one, this is the one I'm going to use as the bias to sew on the side. So you will see them step by step when I'm going to start to sew. I just want to give you the measurement. I will cut the thick one and the lining. Then when I'm going to start to sew, I will show you step by step. After finish cutting the strong material and the lining, I will start to sew. The lining is under and the main material is in the middle, while the thick one is on top here. I will sew just here, and I will sew here. I will leave this place open. Little cut. What I will do is to sew just on top. The main material is in the middle, the thick one is here, and the lining is on top. Then I will bring this way and sew just up here and leave this side open. Let me sew this. This is the handle. I will bring this way, fold like this, and sew from here all the way to this place and leave this lips open to bring the right side out. I will do the same on this one. For this one, I finished sewing, and I also finished sewing one side of this one. I just leave this side so that when I'm done with the handle, I will sew it here. I will measure and sew it here, and also with this side. I'm going to measure where I'm going to sew the handle. This is the handle, the two. Place my tape here. Measure 3 inches. Do the same here. 3 inches. 3 inches. Is 3 inches. Also on top here and here, and I will do the same on this side. I raise the lining up like this. I will sew here. I will do the same here. Then I will leave about 1 inch here, from here 1 inch, so I can sew the lining on this side. I only sew lining on this side to sew the lining on this side, I will leave from here down here 1 inch. I have this magnet button. On the center, I will make a hole here, then I will pass this one like this, and I will put this on the back, and I will press down on the back. Just small hole. I measure from up here 2.5 inches. Just small hole, the main material and the strong one. Then press down like this. The front like this. When I'm going to do that, I will show you. Finish sewing the handle. This one I will cut just like the first one. I cut small. And then pass this inside. And use this to cross before I pin down. And I will sew here and down. I'm done with the sewing. I mark the center here. This is the center. Place on top the center where I mark. I will sew here and it will come this way. I notch here, and I'm going to do the same here. I fold like this into two, then I will notch like that. So what I will do now is to bring together. It's going to be like this. I will sew this part, this downside, which I notch. This where I notch, and this down. I'm done with the sewing. This the curving part. This is where I trim this part, which I trim. So I sew from here. I sew from here to this side, and also this side. So from here round. You can add inner pocket to yours if you want. The bias, I'll fold this way like this, and I will sew from here, from the top here. I will sew round. I will sew from here, from the top here round to this place. I will do the same on this side. This is the bias. I finished sewing round. Then after sewing that, I now stitch down. I will do this side like that. I will bring this way. And stitch on top to this place here. I'll fold like this and sew just like this one. Done. This side, I'm not going to leave it like this. And this side, I will bring it this way like this. I will sew about 1/2 inch here, this place. Inside here, I will sew about 1/2 inch. I will do the same on this side. I will bring it like this. Bring it inside like this. This one is inside, and outside I will sew with 1/2 inch here. I'm done sewing. It's inside, and this side. This is the final look, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are new, you are welcome. Please subscribe and remember the notification bell. Please share this video to friends and loved ones. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video.